Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm excited to guide you through the best practices for refreshing and managing decision tables in Salesforce Revenue Cloud. These tools are vital for automating business rules and ensuring accurate outcomes. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about refreshing decision tables. As you make changes that update these decision tables, you want to make sure that they reflect these changes correctly. To refresh a decision table, start by navigating to the setup in Salesforce. In the quick find box, type in decision tables. You will see under feature settings, decision tables as an option. Once clicked, you'll see a list of the decision tables currently available in your org. I'm going to navigate to one that I need to update. Custom pricing here is one that I've recently made some changes to, and I want to make sure that it is refreshed appropriately. So up here on the top right corner, I can click refresh. It will say that this refresh will take several minutes to complete. If the refresh completes, the last refresh date will be updated. So you'll see that once this has been updated, this date will change. The date and time will change. Some other things to call out is make sure your decision table is active. You cannot refresh a deactivated decision table. Once you activate it, it will trigger a refresh, and then you can manage refreshes after that table has been activated. Another thing to call out is the number of times that you can refresh decision tables. Currently, Salesforce's guidance is 20 decision table updates per hour. So if you're making multiple changes to multiple decision tables, make sure you're doing it methodically to not hit that limit. If you're using flows, you can automate this process with the refresh decision table action. This is great for ensuring your tables update automatically based on a schedule or through specific triggers. I want to show you an example of how this can be done via a screen flow that we have created. If I navigate to our home screen of our application, we have a screen flow that we have put together. From this, you can choose a full refresh and visualize the active decision tables available. From these active decision tables, you can also see when they were last refreshed to understand, do I need to refresh this table? In the example of the custom pricing one that I just refreshed, it has not completed its refresh yet, but this is an example where I could come in, choose this table, and click refresh, and it will trigger the refresh. What's great about this flow is that once I click refresh, you can see that it is now in progress, and that a decision table is being refreshed. And once you refresh this screen, you can see once that's complete. Let's take a look at the screen flow itself real quick to help show you these specific elements. The refresh decision table action is now a new action that can be used in flows. You'll need to choose your decision table to be refreshed, and you can do that a number of ways. Here, we're gathering the tables and outputting them to the screen. But in a scenario where you want it to be scheduled and schedule a refresh of specific decision tables, you can do that as well. Automating the refresh of decision tables is an important aspect of working with Revenue Cloud. You want to make sure that all of your decisions are updated, accurate, and effective for your users to get the correct outcome they are expecting. And that's it. By following these best practices, you'll ensure your decision tables remain accurate and align with your business needs. Whether it's refreshing data to reflect updates or managing via flow, these steps will help you maintain a robust Revenue Cloud. Thanks.